Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple and complete guide on how to configure email forwarding in Outlook.com, which used to be Hotmail. Whether you want to automatically forward your emails to another account or turn it off, this video will guide you step by step. Stick around till the end because these settings are super useful and easy to manage. First, open your web browser and go to Outlook.com. Sign in using your email and password. Once you're in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner and click it. Scroll down and select View All Outlook Settings. This will open the full settings menu. On the left sidebar, click Mail to access all your mail options. Next, click the Forwarding and IMAP tab. If you want to enable forwarding, simply check the Enable Forwarding box. Then enter the email address where you want your messages to be sent. Make sure you double check the address for accuracy. Sending emails to the wrong account can cause problems. If you ever want to stop forwarding, just uncheck the Enable Forwarding box. And here's a key step. Always click Save to apply your changes. Without saving, your settings won't take effect. And that's it. You now know how to easily turn email forwarding on or off in Outlook.com. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.